everyone, I'm so excited to be back to be reading another book with you all. Yesterday we got to read a book was Whistle for Willie, and in that book we learned how the shadow doesn't leave you, and it's a dark spot on the ground that shows who you are. It shows it could be a shadow of a car, it could be a shadow of a ball. All objects have shadows, and we can see them, and they look dark. So today we're going to read a book. It's called Shadows and Reflections. And as we read this book, we want to understand the difference between a shadows and a reflection. So this right here is a shadow. We see the shadow of a child with his arms out. And our job as we read this book is going to be us talking through the pictures because this book has no words. So let's get started and read it together. Shadows and reflections. So let's look at this first picture. Is that a shadow or a reflection? Yeah, that's the reflection of the clouds and the trees on a window. Okay, what about this next picture? Is that a shadow or a reflection? I also agree. That would be the reflection of something. I can see the reflections of the buildings and things in the water. Is this a shadow or a reflection? It's the reflection. You can see the reflection of the building on the card. What about this one? Is this shadows or reflection? We see the reflection of the flamingos in the water. What about this one? Is this shadows or reflection? Those are shadows. We can't see the details of their faces. We can see the color of it, but we know that they're there. We see their shadows on the ground. What about this one? Since the little trick is a shadow. What about this one? Reflection. You see his reflection in the instruments that he's playing. What about this one? Is a reflection in the car. In a car, you can usually see your reflection. Your turn. Shadows. That's right. Reflections. Good job, Kayvon. Reflections. A shadow. Shadow. Reflection. Reflection. And that's a reflection as well. So today we learned the difference between shadows and reflections. I want all of you to remember that shadows usually look like this. And when you draw a shadow, you're not going to draw it pink or red, the color of your shirt, because we can't see the color of your shirt in a shadow. We just see the darkness. And that is what a shadow looks like. But a reflection, we can see the color of your shirt. We can see the details of your eyes, your hair. We can see all of that in a reflection. And that is the difference between a shadow and a reflection. Bye, K1. See you soon.